Chapter 14. When Enos was 900 years old, all the children of Seth and of Canaan and his firstborn, with their wives and children, gathered around him, asking for a blessing from him. Then he prayed over them and blessed them, and made them promise them by the blood of Abel the just, saying to them, "Do not let even one of your children go down from this holy mountain, and do not let them make friends with the children of Cain the murderer." Then Enos called his son Canaan and said to him, "Look, my son, and set your heart on your people, and establish them in righteousness and in innocence, and stand ministering before the body of our father Adam all the days of your life." After this Enos rested, died. He was 985 years old. Canaan wrapped him up and laid him in the cave of treasures on the left of his father Adam, and made offerings for him, following the custom of his fathers.